For the first time when the parrot came to our house, he was quite nervous.
बेटा डरते नहीं हैं, डरते नहीं हैं बेटा, डरते नहीं हैं।
We tried to keep him calm, but nothing was working.
डरते नहीं हैं।
He was quiet when left alone. It was difficult to read on the aluminium ring on his right leg.
देखो पढ़ो क्या है।
So I thought of increasing the space for him. I added a basket to his cage. In the beginning, he was reluctant to go into the basket. But after some time, he entered into the basket. And he liked the basket more than the cage. And for the first time, when we offered maize to him, he ate it with open heart. He was looking satisfied. We tried to keep him open in our gallery. He walked there and there he visited the cage of budgies, the Australian parrots. He felt himself relieved. And after that he flew.